Here we are, my beautiful friend, on clue 6 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. And I think you are gonna love this clue because it features the cutest little stitch. I hope you're enjoying the Crochet Along so far. Aren't you just loving these colors? So the colors we chose for our Mirage Sport version have a beautiful vintage vibe, and I'm so excited for you to see how those progress as the project continues on. This is truly gonna be a piece that you are gonna treasure for years to come. So as we're continuing along, you'll be noticing that the rounds are getting longer and longer. So it's really a beautiful opportunity to delve into the intention behind this pattern, which is to notice the moment, be present, and find time for meditation or prayer or just being calmly present in this moment. It's important to make time for that every day. I know we all have so much to get done, and I know for me it always feels like there's so much to do, so much to accomplish in any given day that it can be hard to carve out time to just sit quietly. There's a saying that if you don't have time to meditate for an hour every day, then you need to meditate for 2. So I hope you find time for yourself each month, even if it's just a few minutes per day. So let's go ahead and jump into today's clue. We are learning how to work an adorable little puff stitch. You're gonna find this stitch in a lot of patterns, so it's a great technique to know. So to work a puff stitch, go ahead and yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch and pull up a loop. I like to give a little tug on it. And you're gonna do that 5 times total. So again, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, give a tug. So that's 2. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, and one more time, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. And when you have 11 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. And then you want to close up the top of your puff stitch, so just do a chain 1. And there you go. Super easy, super cute. So I hope you enjoyed crocheting this month, my friend. Do give me a holler below. I would love to know, are you planning on keeping this gorgeous piece as an heirloom for yourself? Or are you going to give it away to someone else? All right, enjoy this month, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.